This is love, love, love. This is their first Valentine after their marriage, their traditional marriage. Actor Mokmado and his pretty actress wife, Ruby Ojiakor. This is their photo shoot now, blast. I love it. So cool, so loving. The atmosphere is so sweet, filled with plenty of love. Based on the season now, season of love, guys. Can you feel that sensation of love? Like, look at her. She's so pretty. This vow season is for you guys. It's for you guys. Filled with plenty of love. May your union be sweeter and sweeter and sweeter on daily basis. Congrats, guys.